Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Through struggles and strife, we seek to find our way. To live a fulfilled life, and seize the day. Motivation at Hand is here to ignite the flame. To guide us through the land, and help us stake our claim. From self-development to career planning. This content is worth both your time and understanding. We cover topics diverse, from DIY to technology. As we search for what to pursue, we offer much clarity. Using your renewable energy to entrepreneurship info galore. You are empowered with synergy, to achieve even more. Join in unison, to learn and grow with glee. To pave the road to unlock your destiny. At Motivation at Hand, we understand that the world is changing rapidly, and you may need the tools to navigate your desires in your life. We believe it's important to stay ahead of the game by exploring all parts of yourself and how to remain enthusiastically relevant in the 21st century. That's why we provide valuable content to help you navigate the discovery of self. Whether you're dealing with seeking personal growth, or looking to improve your career, our channel has got you covered. We offer a wide range of topics: the DIY culture, self-development, time management, and creativity. And the usefulness of your well-being to developing your skills. Skills that can be transferred to other venues. Skills that remain cogent and marketable in the 21st century. We explore remote work, digital marketing and e-commerce. Do you want a career in technology? Or are you an entrepreneur? Or are you still seeking because you haven't found the right fit? We want you to be in the 21st century with confidence and optimism. To motivate you to achieve personal growth and fulfillment in your life, in our ever-changing world. However you envision your life, you have to be motivated. To allow ideas to have access to your self-belief and self-talk. Will you explore life's possibilities? By joining our community, you'll be inspired to embrace change and seize new opportunities, just like a fire that consumes everything in its path, leaving only new growth in its wake. You'll gain access to valuable resources and tools that can help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of the 21st century, and emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. So come and join us on this journey towards a brighter future. Let's harness the power of the flame within us and set the world ablaze with our creativity, innovation, and determination. Together, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe, thumbs up. We look forward to your comments. We trust you will come back soon.